Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect N8N to Slack. So all you have to do is just head over and open N8N, and from here, just click on the add button. A window will then appear on the right corner, and in the search bar, just search for Slack and click on Slack. Next is just scroll down until you can see Actions section, and from the list of actions, just choose the action that you want to integrate. So from here, all you have to do is just set up the authentication. Just click on Create New Credential. So from here, you're going to choose whether OAuth, which is the recommended and easier option, or Access Token. Then just click on Connect. A window will then pop up, and all you have to do is just allow all the necessary permissions required. And from there, you have now successfully connected N8N to Slack. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!